This video is brought to you by Acwell.
Anneyeong Ippunians! Welcome to the third episode of Ippuni Skincare Playground. So today we are going to review about Acwell! Okay, so today we are going to review about the Licorice toner, and we have the new Licorice serum, Licorice mist, and Licorice eye cream. Okay, so the first one is the famous Licorice toner.
It's the Acwell Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner.
Yeah, so this is a toner which has cleansing effect, brightening effect, and hydrating effect in one. And its pH level is just only 5.5. Yeah, so it has the licorice, uses licorice root water to hydrate skin and refine skin textures by removing dead skin cells and impurities. Further, it has green tea extracts to calm and reduce pigmentation and dark spots.
So, by the way, it comes in three sizes: the 300 ml, the 150 ml, and the mini size of 30 ml.
Yeah, so the mini size that just came in. Before this, we sell it, but now we bring it in again. So because that it removes all the impurities, from your skin, right? So it helps to absorb other products that you use after this toner, absorb better for your skin. Yeah. So we are going to look at the texture. I think quite a lot of people already start using this, right?
So it's very watery.
Yeah, it's very watery.
And it
It has a little bit smell, little bit scent, but it's a very nice smell, not to like those like very fake perfume smell like that. So the second product we are going to review is the Acwell Licorice pH Balancing Advanced Serum.
Alright, so what this serum does is actually brighten and smooth skin texture. It also contains licorice extract and also the root extract as well. It also contains glutathione. It has an anti-acne effect because it contains white eggplant and picogenol. Okay, picogenol, which helps to improve acne skin, and it also prevents pigmentation and protection as well.
Yeah, like the toner.
So it has a very lightweight texture as I've tried it before lah. So it provides moisturization and hydration.
Okay, so the texture looks like this. You can see.
See, it's very runny.
Yeah, it's quite watery compared to those serum which is like more pekat. So this one is quite watery.
Watery, lightweight, so it does moisturization, hydration, apart from brightening dull skin and acne prone skin as well.
Yeah.
So for me, because of its lightweight properties, right, I would layer it up. That means I use one layer and then I have it
Second layer.
Have it absorbed, and then I use second layer for me because I have quite dry areas on my face.
And then plus it is very easily absorbed, so you just apply layer by layer. You don't feel it like very heavy. It's very light.
It won't feel heavy, it won't feel sticky or oily.
Yeah, so this is the serum. Okay, so the third product we are going to review is this Acwell Licorice pH Balancing Essence Mist. This is a product collaborated with Soko Glam, and this is an essence mist. So this one, you can apply it after you clean your face and you just apply it as a toner, just spray on your face. Or you can apply after you apply all your skincare, like after essence, you can just apply on your face. Or like you go to work or something, like the middle of the day, and you need some hydration or moisturizing things, right? You just spray on your face, or even after makeup, you can put it as a setting spray. Yeah. So we look at the texture now.
Oh yeah, before that, shake well before use. Important note, we have to mix the ingredients in the bottle. Let us look at the texture now.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can see it has a when in my mouth. Milky texture.
Yeah, it has a milky texture and it does not have any added fragrance, and it is very suitable for all skin types. Even though you're acne skin, oily skin, dry skin.
Dry skin especially.
Yeah, dry skin especially.
Especially people who work in aircon or office conditions, right, where you tend to have very dry, flaky skin. This will work well. You can put it on your desk. Is it midday spray?
Yeah, just spray on your face and you can stay moisturized all day.
Finally, we have the Acwell Eye Cream. Okay, this is the Licorice pH Balancing Intensive Eye Cream. It's a 2020 Soko Glam winner for an anti-aging treatment category. Alright, so this eye cream, it has brightening and wrinkle care effect lah. So it's a hydrating formula which brightens dark circle and hyperpigmentation. It also has anti-aging and acne care properties as well.
Yeah. So this eye cream is very suitable for those people who has dark eye circles, puffiness,
And also wrinkle eyes.
yeah, and also wrinkle eyes.
Because it has anti-aging ingredients such as blueberry extract, green tea, and glutathione. And then we have for the puffiness, yeah, it has caffeine also inside, so it can reduce puffiness and tighten the skin.
So it is best to combine it. If you are dry skin, it is the best if you combine it with the mist. Okay, so if you can also combine with the serum.
Yeah, serum as well. If this can help tighten your skin better.
Yeah.
If you combine this, and if you have dry skin, you can combine with the mist.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, so we look at the texture now.
Put this away first.
Oh, the texture is like the elasticity cream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is an elasticity cream. So it doesn't have artificial fragrance, it doesn't have parabens, no essential oil, no mineral oil.
Yeah, it is. It can absorb quite fast too if I put on my hand. Okay, so this is the eye cream. If you are looking for eye cream, this is the best choice.
Okay, that's all for today, guys.
Okay, don't forget to subscribe us, like us, and share our videos.
Also, don't forget, if you want to win one of these Acwell products, do comment below. Alright?
So you have free Acwell products to win. Okay, so bye bye.